How many people want to bring about massive change in their life? Consistency. Consistency is one of the most underrated concept in this era. Like 90% people are not being consistent because it is boring. They give up being consistent. And why consistency is required? To being successful, to bring about a change in your life you desired for, to own something in your life that you want, to being confident. These things will be happen when you will be consistent. Because most of the youth in this era, they are not being consistent. Rather than focusing on the basic things, they are focusing various unnecessary things in their life. Why? Because they do certain things for 10 days and they feel like they are good at it, and then they feel comfortable, and then they divert their mind in other aspects, and they forget the things. They forget the things for being consistent. And if you're not being consistent, then it is very hard not to crack, to achieve something that you desired for. Why this happens? Why? You need to understand your why. Why at times things are boring. Let's take an example of mine. So I started creating videos, okay, and that time I was new in the learning. I was new in the process. I started learning how to edit things, how to edit videos, how to short, how to prepare your point, your content. So I was new in the process, so I had an excitement that time. I started learning and simultaneously applying the same things, and that was new for me. So I had an excitement. I did it for a week, and after a week, when I noticed that I'm getting improved day by day, so I started improving on it and getting a little result every day. So now I learned the basic things. So when this thought came in my mind, I'm getting better every day, and now I know everything and I can do that. So this thought comes in your mind. This is the hindrance, and at this time people feel comfortable. Yeah, I can do that, it's so easy for me. So this is the phase where you need to go extra mile, you need to put more effort, right? So here is this one scenario people gave up. One scenario is when you start things, you are zero at the time in learnings. So you do it for 1 week or 2 week consistently, because you are a new person, you are a newcomer on the process. So you have an excitement, you will do that, because zero mind fills with ideas in few days, because at time you are new in the learnings, and after some days you achieve something, you achieve a little higher, and after some days you don't find good result, and then you give up. And why you give up? Because when you are new in the process, you learn basic, and when the things came to level up, now you are switching your level. Basic things can be learned easily, right? So when you are being more better, changing and upgrading yourself to different level, so here you need to go extra mile, you need to put extra effort to level up, right? So this is the phase where people usually give up, because that time they don't find any good result, and they find things are boring, right? And that's why they give up. Most of the people I see. Even you can apply this to me as well. The same happened to me, and then I got to know this, and that's why I'm sharing it. I learned, I'm sharing it. I applied it and sharing it. And one more thing, the one more thing you need to know, like when you are giving effort, when you started something and now you're getting better day by day, so people start praising to you, like, yeah, you are being good, you're doing good, you're improving a lot. When people start praising you, you feel good at everything. You have in your mind that, yeah, I can do it, it's easy for me and I'm improving, and you generate kind of comfortability in your brain. There's a pattern. If you are being good at something, then you feel like, yeah, it's easy, I can do it, and people are praising me. So this is the also phase where people end up being more comfortable and stop putting extra effort to achieve extra mile, right? And very important to cut through both the scenario. These are the scenarios: hindrance in your achievement, hindrance in your consistency. So being consistent, and you will level up. If you talk about the phase where you don't get good result, so if you pushing yourself up, then you level up after some days, okay? And again the phase will come where the result will not come, and then you also again, and then you again have to put extra effort to get the next level. So this phase come again and again in your life. So but if you cross one step, then it's very easier to do ahead. Consistency allows you make mistake. Being consistent and learning new things allows you make mistake. If you are new in the process, you certainly do mistake, and that's a plus point. You get to learn, you get to know how to fix it, right? Not all my videos are good, you will see that. So that consistency extremely important. Do it even you don't want to do it, then growth will happen, because nothing is possible, as simple as that. Let's talk about myself. I've been putting content every single day without giving a pause. See the consistency. Persistently I'm working on it and things are being improved. So guys, there is no shortcut. You got to do it. You have to accept the boredom. And most of the people, they putting an effort. They work in an office Monday to Friday. Then every weekend they want party. Every weekend they want booze. So guys, are we serious about the off days to make it more productive? And guys, if you're not done enough, avoid taking breaks. Make a commitment, consistency. You will not take a single break until or unless you create results going for you. That's all guys for today, and see you in my next video, and hope you will like this video. And if you like it, subscribe my channel and share this video to others, so that they can also bring value in their life. They also will be consistent. So we'll see you in next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.